Hello students. Yesterday we have studied about microorganisms, where are they found and what are their characteristics. Now today we will study about the different types of microorganisms. Types of microorganisms. You can say types. So the microorganisms that are found in many categories, but there are main five major types of microorganisms. Major types. These five major types of organism we will study about them today. So first of all, we get the name of them. First one is bacteria. Second one is, can you guess? Protozoa. Protozoa. Third one is virus. Fourth, algae. Fifth, fungi. So these are the five different categories of the microorganism for what we will study today. So we note down these names and afterwards we will go point wise. So first of all we will study about bacteria, what are its characteristics, how these are helpful to us, how these are harmful to us. Then after protozoa, virus and we and fungi. So like that we will. So we have studied all the names of the different categories of the microorganism. Now we will study about them separately. The first one is bacteria. So first of all, bacteria we will study the characteristics of bacteria. Before that, we will also have to know the singular form of this bacteria. This bacteria is a plural form. The singular form of this is bacterium. This is the singular form of this bacteria. The collective noun of, you can say that the collection of the various bacterium is called bacteria. Now, first point in this, first living thing to be found. Now those who are asking the question that pehle murgi hai ya anda, now here is the answer of your question. The first thing to be found on earth is bacteria, first living thing. Neither your hen nor the egg. Understood? So don't ask these silly questions next time. Okay, then second point, it is found everywhere. Found even inside the organism. So we have studied about microorganism that it can be found each and every place. Now after that we can also say that this bacteria can be found inside the organism, inside the body of a organism, like as inside our body, under the skin, inside the nose, inside the mouth. This bacteria can be found. The third point for this will be the shape. Its shape may be spherical, spiral, and rod shaped. So we can say that the shape of this bacteria can be of any shape, either spherical or spiral or rod shape. Now next, the uses of this. Uses means how it is our friend. It is our friend because making curd. The making curd. So first use is, it is responsible for making curd, and the bacteria responsible for this is lactobacillus. Here we write lactobacillus. This is the name of the bacteria, just lactobacillus. It is the name of a bacteria that is responsible for the conversion of milk into curd. So if bacteria will not be there, we will not be able to get the curd from milk. Second use, nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. And bacteria responsible for is rhizobium. Rhizobium. Second use of bacteria is nitrogen fixation, and here it is also a bacteria named rhizobium that is responsible for the fixing of nitrogen. Which nitrogen? The nitrogen that we get from the atmosphere to the soil. For that, rhizobium bacteria is responsible for that. Okay. Then last point for this is harmfulness, means diseases. Here we will write the diseases. Fifth point, diseases. So which type of diseases are responsible for, because of the bacteria are typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, the common term used for tuberculosis is TB, food poisoning, etc. So these are the different type of diseases that are caused because of the bacteria. Now we have finished our first topic, bacteria, today, and remaining virus and protozoa we will continue tomorrow. So thank you, students.